YouTube love ramp.
We can't tell say jeans and what in my closet. Jersey! Big shout out to Team Jersey Pro. Them hook up your boy with a basketball jersey, a custom basketball jersey. As you can see, got the TIBILTAI, think it, believe it, and what? Live to achieve it, and then we have on back. Kevin too crazy. Just go there. So if you like sports or maybe have a favorite sports team, or maybe you just want to get some custom sports jerseys done, log on to teamjerseypro.com and then we sort out the custom jersey for you. Hey, me not lie, I one of them I maybe want to get, but I humble myself and get my jersey. They do have discounts available when you make certain purchases, and they also have free US shipping. The people them there in Jamaica, if you want to benefit from the free shipping, you see a shipping company where you use, like I'll ship me and them people, just use the US address where them have and a free shipping that. And I don't know when people bust me on things, me not left you know out though. So when you log on to Team Jersey Pro and your shop, make sure if you use the code Kevin2, 10% off. No forget it, you know. Kevin2. 10% off! Big shout out to Team Jersey Pro again. Their links will be in the description. Follow them on Instagram and tell them thanks for hooking up your favorite YouTuber. Jeans and what in our closet? Yes! Olivia. Yes, man. What you are seeing here is a lazy second-hand farm. Them love when other people put in the work. Then they just come to reap and keep all the profits for themselves.
Shame! Shame on y'all!
Dirty thief, man. You know, just can't see people things and leave you alone. I hope God put a stop to your second-hand farming and shower him blessings for the owner so that he can get some more wood. Put in a little rifle in night field so he catch up and sleep. Anyways, speaking of showers.
Gosh, this man in a rain. In a rain. I wash off the roadway. In a rain.
Something alright, yeah.
Soji, how are really going here, so?
Me bumbo. This man a great bumbo.
When people say soldier work not easy, you never know say at them levels they stress. You know say bossy head not there so at all. Soldier now get to spray the rifle, so you have to spray the next best thing, you know? The hose. And if you continue at that rate, the water bill for next month over camp. You go high like coconut palm tree. The caption reads, "That is why women live longer." And while it might be true, you can bet say Susan begging to go pick coconut for her. Hence, women live longer because they send man to go do a dangerous job them. And we like idiot just bounce gone and skip happily like a Disney character right into our doom.
Raw born
And because enough of us men not really left to do the dangerous job, so women have to take it on themselves.
This is dark. I've got photos with him throughout his whole lifespan.
What is going on here?
And guess what? You see? They now get the same treatment. I bet if that did our man, the only thing left, I khaki clothes when you have on.
Oh, where are you going, dude? Oh my gosh. Oh dear Lord, what happened?
You know, they say they must be rescued the one there from upper R. Kelly yard. Daddy, da-da-dum.
Where are you going, dude? Oh my gosh. Oh dear Lord, what happened?
No fuck are you?
Let us go from that small puddle to a big lake.
A mascot. A circus you want.
You see, with any kind of water vehicle, it is desirable that it fails at the beginning, close to shore. You know, when they're too far out where help can reach you. So give thanks. So you survive to be able to go back to your drawing board. And that is where the coach of this next athlete needs to go back.
Oh là là, qu'est-ce qu'il a eu le pauvre? Oh le pauvre, qu'est-ce qu'il a eu là?
Non, non, rien, il a rien eu.
Mais si.
Non, non.
Ah bah si, il a quelque chose.
Yeah, my boss, you have to set the world record. Barely. The slowest time ever run in a 100-meter race.
Oh là là, qu'est-ce qu'il a eu le pauvre? Oh le pauvre.
I honestly feel like saying he was there to throw the shot put, and one of the racers never turned up and coach linked him. And the only question asked was, you can run? Alright, go.
Qu'est-ce qu'il a eu là?
Non, non, rien, il a rien eu.
Mais si.
Non, non.
Ah bah si, il a quelque chose.
Never had been seen this yet.
Still out in the field.
Funny uncle, man, uncle soup.
What a beautiful play!
Come on, uncle soup.
First chop alone, me I walk off I feel. But then a second chop. Alright, you get disrespectful now, brother. After me no jerk chicken, now we are going chop up so. Eh, me a lift up. And then to add insult to injury, after he chop up the boss into the dirt like a fatty leg, he just close the casket like a pastor and bless him with a cross. Eh, lead him to a goal. I'm not go back to ball field again. I'm done with ball field. I'm gonna learn a trade. He lucky he land like a ninja. The way how me see it, do it look like we have to blame the person who packed the truck. The man they don't know nothing about balance. Idiot pack everything on one side. Just like them man their brain. Like all of them brain just bunch up over one side. Imagine you meet a girl and you tell her you can sing and she says she want a song and you just while she might be impressed for other reasons, the singing will be last on the list.
Shut up your mouth, man. Take all this off of my face. So you not trouble later.
Look people, that is it. Thank you for your videos and your video suggestions. Make sure you go subscribe to the vlog channel because YouTube really get to me and I can pull a surprise visit for my mother. She has been saying this for a long time.
Why, mommy, long to see you, but I don't know when I go see you. Long to see you, man.
See you tomorrow, Baba. Now drop vlogs, you know, so I guess somehow we can put out content now. In terms of like there is things to do, I may move around a little bit more, so I have vlogs. So check out, make sure you subscribe to the vlog channel. For K2K extra, we can't upload over this until maybe about Friday. So a video will probably drop this next week. So I don't know, YouTube struggles. Hit the like button, the share button, definitely subscribe. This is K2K. You think it, you believe it, and you live. Hold on, you live to achieve it.